Sodium Vapour lamps, illuminating the night. Sodium Vapour lamps are the powerhouses of outdoor lighting. They work by creating an electric arc through vaporized sodium metal, resulting in a brilliant yellow glow, a glassy core. At the heart of a sodium Vapour lamp lies a borosilicate glass discharge tube. This tube contains a tiny amount of sodium metal along with a noble gas like neon or argon. The entire assembly is encased in an evacuated outer tube to maintain optimal conditions, igniting the light. When you switch on the lamp, the initial spark occurs within the noble gas, emitting a reddish hue. This initial heat is crucial for vaporizing the sodium metal. The sodium spectacle. Once the sodium transforms into a vapor, the main electric discharge takes place. This is where the magic happens. The sodium vapor emits a characteristic intense yellow light, renowned for its brightness and efficiency. Balancing the act. To ensure stable operation, a choke, inductor, is employed to regulate the electric current. Additionally, a capacitor is included to improve the power factor, optimizing energy efficiency. Lighting up the world. Sodium Vapour lamps are the go-to choice for illuminating streets, highways, and industrial areas. Their high efficiency and powerful light output make them ideal for outdoor applications where visibility is paramount. Energy efficiency champion. Compared to traditional lighting technologies, sodium Vapour lamps consume less energy to produce the same amount of light. This translates to lower electricity bills and a reduced environmental impact. Color considerations. While sodium Vapour lamps excel in brightness, they have a limited color spectrum. The intense yellow light might not be suitable for applications requiring a broader color range, such as indoor spaces or retail environments. Longevity and maintenance. Sodium Vapour lamps boast a longer lifespan compared to incandescent bulbs. However, they do require occasional maintenance, including replacement of the lamp and cleaning of the outer globe. Technological advancements. The lighting industry is continually evolving. Newer technologies like LED and metal halide lamps are gaining popularity. However, sodium Vapour lamps still hold their ground in specific outdoor lighting applications. A versatile lighting solution. From illuminating busy city streets to enhancing visibility on highways, sodium Vapour lamps play a vital role in our modern world. Their combination of efficiency, brightness, and durability makes them a reliable choice for various